Hey everybody, it's Coach AG, just getting adjusted to the Blackboard Ultra, making y'all a brand new video on how to use the Nike app and what I'm expecting for the jogging class. So by now, hopefully you download the app. If not, go ahead and download the Nike Run Club app. The photo was in Blackboard Ultra in some of the tabs before the assignment tab. But in a nutshell, hopefully you've explored the app. Okay, explore the app. You want to play around with the buttons and things like that. My run is personally set on the tempo for training for a half marathon, but by pressing the start button, mine has a countdown. So you see 3, 2, 1. All right, right there. Your music will also play based on whatever your playlist is. All right, I'm going to pause that for the time being. But when you get ready to stop a run, you pause it, okay? And then you should get a prompt like this right here. It says, let me get y'all right on the screen. Here we go. It's going to tell you to hold down once you tap. Hold the stop button to end the run. So that's exactly what you'll do. You'll hold it to end the run. All right. So I didn't run, so it didn't go anywhere on that. But let me give you an example of what I want to see posted, okay? So I'm going to go to my activity right here. All right. Now this is one of my runs. Okay. So Thursday morning run is right here. All right. Now always look for these 3 dots. Now some of you all may have an Android, so you'll have to look at whatever is at the top hand, left hand or right hand side of the screen, and figure out how to share. All right. Because this is an iPhone, obviously. So I'm going to click these 3 dots. From here, I'll see share, edit, run, and remove. I'm going to share my run. Okay. All right, so I'm going to share my run. I'm going to take a photo. So this is where I'm going to. All right, so I take the photo. Photo is here. It has my time, distance, everything like that is right there on the screen. All right, and it's ready to share. All right, so here I'm just going to hit the arrow. All right, so here it is. Now I'm going to hit the arrow to share. Now, at this point, actually, we don't even have to go this far anymore in the class. So we're going to go back. This is what you need to do right here. You're going to take this image, all right, and you're going to screenshot it, all right. We know how to do that. Screenshot right there, all right. For some of you all, it's probably already in your camera roll, okay. But at this point, you're going to take this image, okay. You're going to take this image, and you're going to send it to yourself, okay. And then you're going to save the image on your desktop, okay, or on your laptop, or whatever you use, and you're going to upload it to the tab in Blackboard Ultra. And that's how you receive your points, all right? So we're getting used to this new system, so this is just a starter video to show you what it should look like and what I'm expecting, all right? Any questions, just shoot me an email. I'll be looking for it. Thanks.